there! Today we're going to be finding out how micellar water works. That's used for cleansing your face. Specifically, it's very effective for removing makeup on your face. So how exactly does it work? Let's get started. Now, micellar water is made up of mild surfactants. A surfactant is something which brings oil and water together. What exactly does that mean? We'll find out that in a few minutes. Now, an example of a surfactant is a dishwashing liquid. So you pour the dishwashing liquid and you can wash out all the grease in the pans. And another example is your soap. That's also a surfactant. Now, not to fear, micellar water is not as strong as dishwashing liquid. It's made up of very mild surfactants. So how exactly does it work? Now, a surfactant is a molecule which has got a head and a tail. Now, the head is the part which loves all water. It's a water-loving part. And the tail is a part which loves the oil. So the head loves the water and the tail loves the oil. Now, when you take a cotton pad and pour some micellar water onto it, what happens is the cotton pad, it's got water-loving fibers in them. Now, because it's got water-loving fibers in them, as soon as you pour the micellar water onto the cotton pad, the heads of the surfactant molecules, which are water-loving as well, they grab on to the water-loving fibers in the cotton pad because both of them are together. They're similar, so they are attached to each other. So let's pretend this is a surfactant molecule, and there are many surfactant molecules in the micellar water that you're going to pour onto the cotton pad. This is the cotton pad. So these are the heads, and here is the tail. So as soon as you pour them onto the cotton pad, the heads, which are all water-loving, will go and grab on to all the water-loving fibers in the cotton pad. So they've gone and grabbed onto it. And when they do that, all the tails, they don't love the water, so they just pop out. They just go and stand like that. So all the heads are attached to the cotton pad, and the tails, which don't like the water, they love the oil, they're just popping out. Now, you've got the cotton pad, and you've got the micellar water on top of it. The heads have stuck to the cotton pad, and the tails are sticking out. Now you take that cotton pad and you've got makeup or grease or whatever it is that you have on your face, and you apply that cotton pad, you rest that cotton pad onto your face. And as you wipe, what happens is all these tails which are sticking out, they are oil loving. What is oil? Oil is nothing but the grease and the dirt and the makeup that you've got on your face. So as soon as you put this cotton pad on your face, all the tails that are sticking out, they go and grab on to the dirt and the grease that's on your face. So they go and attach themselves to that, and all these molecules, they form little balls around these dirt and grease that's on your face and the makeup and everything that's on your face. These balls that they form around this dirt is called micelles, hence the name micellar water. So you've got the heads which has attached itself to the cotton pads. You've got the tails, the oil-loving bits, which has gone and attached itself to all the dirt and the grease that's on the face. Now, as you move the cotton pad, so you've got the cotton pad, the micellar water molecules, that's the surfactant molecules, are all on the cotton pad, heads sticking to the cotton pad, tails attach themselves to the dirt, and as you move the cotton pad, this surfactant molecules, they've actually acted as a bridge between your cotton pad and the dirt. So as you move the cotton pad, as you as you move it along on your face, along with the cotton pad, all the dirt which is stuck to the tails of the surfactant molecules also moves. And so these molecules have actually acted as a bridge between the pad and the dirt. This is my dirt, that's my molecule, that's my pad. So together, as I wipe it, it's gone away. So that's how the dirt goes away. So that's how the surfactant molecules in the micellar water work. They basically act as a bridge between the pad and the dirt, and they hold on, each molecule, one end holds onto the pad, the other end holds onto the dirt, and together they take it away. So one quick thing, important thing about micellar water is, a lot of people, they would apply micellar water to clean their face, and that's it. They would think their face is clean. No, it's not, because you see, they are mild surfactants. These micellar water, it's made up of mild surfactants, which is nothing but a mild form of soap. So would you just apply soap on your face and just forget about it? Never. You would never do that, right? The same with micellar water. Micellar water is very effective in removing all that hard to remove dirt and grease like makeup from your face, because it just literally, they're strong bridges and they grab it and take it away. But after it's done its job, because it's a mild surfactant, there's a little bit of it still left over on the face. You got to remove that from your face. Otherwise, it's like leaving soap on your face. So always remember to cleanse your face after using micellar water. Micellar water by itself is not complete cleansing, because it leaves behind some surfactant molecules on your face. That's soap, mild soap. So you need to cleanse your face after using micellar water. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you want more such videos, or if you want to decode your skincare products, head on to skinCabin.com, type in the name of your skincare product, and we will decode all the ingredients in the skincare product. Remember always, forget the marketing, forget the fluff of the skincare product, turn around, look at the ingredients, because the ingredients are the only ones which don't lie. Bye for now. I'll see you in the next video.